I love you.
Love you too.
Saint, rumor has it you're dating Airbud. Is that true? You heard it here first. Oh my God, hi, I had no idea you were coming. Come on in. Oh. Saint, oh my God. Do you want to say hi to our visitor? Hi guys, if you don't know, my name is BaileySarian, and today I'm going to show you around my apartment. Let's go. Okay, so this is my entryway. When you walk in, you see this beautiful variety. Is variety the right word? This is some old luggage we found, vintage, okay? Estate sales. We just stacked it, put some glass on top. This is where we put our keys, wallet, just let the day out right here. Also, mirror. I found this on Amazon and it was like actually a steal. Really into it. It's big. And then we come into the living room. Wow. Saint, what do you have to say? Awesome. So this is the living room. I didn't know what I wanted in here. I just knew I wanted a lot of color. So I just threw up all of the color in the living room. The couch I found online. Same with the chair, the 2 end tables, the lamps. It's all from Amazon. Okay, hold on, Saint. Let me get over here, because this is my good side, Saint. This is my good, okay. So let me tell you a little bit about this green couch. Now, I knew from day one that I wanted a green couch. I looked everywhere because, like, they're just so expensive, and I just didn't want to pay that much for one. After looking everywhere online and in store, couldn't really find anything, which now they're in trend, and it's like you can find them everywhere, of course. Anyways, so I eventually got this one. I got it on allmodern.com. It was a lot, but it makes me happy. Saint is not allowed on the couch. The last couch we had, he destroyed it with his nails. I just paid a lot for this. He can't come up here and act like he owns it. He doesn't like pay the bills. You know what I'm saying? So these lamps I found on Overstock. Yes, overstock.com. They were having a sale. A bitch loves a sale. Okay, I can't help it. It's in my blood. It's how my mom raised me. I felt like I needed something taller to like hide this wall space I have here. It's not as tall as I thought it was gonna be. So I stacked some books underneath of it because why not? So I was stacking some books. I think I might stack more books to make it a little bit taller, but I don't know if that's gonna look crazy. Let me know down below. I just feel like there's this big gap happening and it makes me unhappy. I don't like gaps. Lamps I think are super cute. I do wish they were taller, but I'm new to this. So I don't know. Canvases on the wall I found online, and I actually found them super cheap. Like I was really excited about it. Super excited, let me tell you. I've never decorated anything before, so this was like my first time being an adult and decorating, and it's hard being an adult. Nobody told me how expensive furniture was. Let me tell you about this rug. You see that? You see that? I love this rug. And guess how much I paid for it?
$200.
You know, I don't remember, but I think it was a good deal because I don't buy stuff unless it's a good deal. Okay, a little piece of advice. Buy the couches and stuff first and then get a rug. Because I actually originally bought another rug. Once I got the couches and stuff, hated it. Get the rug, like last, if anything.
What's that Tom Ford box?
You know, I haven't even opened this. I just saw it on Pinterest, like, I'm that girl. So this is like some mega white girl stuff. I got my Tom Ford book for decoration luxury. I read it every day. Wow, love it, gorge. I've honestly have not opened it. I swear to you, I just saw it on Pinterest and I copied it. Like sometimes you just have to copy Pinterest.
Has anyone told you that you're the most handsomest dog in the whole world? No, that is so sad. You should be Mr. December. Your breath stinks like real bad, like ass.
This is probably my favorite bookcase thingy. So this I found on Amazon. Fern and I both like to collect knickknacks, like a lot of just stuff you would consider junk. we keep it. So we just kind of thought we'd throw some of that up in here. I have this big mirror, which a lot of you guys have asked me for a couple of years where I got this mirror from. And I actually found it at a discount furniture store. Discount furniture stores are the best because you can usually talk down prices. Got it for $60, can you?
Oh my God.
Right? I thought that was such a steep. I get excited about low prices. And then I added LED lights around it. I made my own like light up selfie mirror. Maybe I'll make a video on that because I like to DIY stuff. This TV stand thingy, it's not my favorite and I kind of like want to redo it, but it's here for now. Found it on OfferUp, which if you don't have OfferUp or you don't use OfferUp, hands down, you need to. It's the best. So we got this for like 40 bucks. This is contact paper, so I just put some contact paper on the front to make it look kind of bouge when it's not. But I kind of think I want to paint it red or something. So we'll see. I don't like the white, it's kind of boring. This area is kind of like under construction. So this is Fern's desk and workstation. Also OfferUp, the desk and that thingy. We used like my leftover contact paper to cover the front. We ran out. This is where Fern works. Okay, so this I was really excited about and it's like the stupidest thing ever. But I was on Pinterest trying to get inspiration on what to do in this living room, right? I was pinning my life away. And I came across like coffee table decorations. A lot of people were doing this thing and it makes no sense. And it just takes up space on my coffee table. But I like it. It brings me joy and happiness. I don't know why. Like I'm not gonna claim to be original at all on this coffee table. What ifs? Okay, here's one thing I do wanna say though. I think I need some roundness going on in here. There's too many like squares happening. And I've been reading a lot of feng shui because if you remember my last place, haunted. And the lady said that I needed feng shui. So I was Googling feng shui. There's a lot to it. I need round, not so many hard edges because apparently that's bad. So I was thinking about maybe trying to sell those on OfferUp, the end tables, getting round ones or getting a round coffee table and keeping those. I don't know yet. Let me know down below. Then we move into the kitchen. The art on the wall, Fern painted it, and I felt like it matched perfectly with this rug. This table, OfferUp for like 40 bucks. And it came with all the chairs as well. This little situation I got right here with the roses in the vase, I went to, it was like a furniture store. Go to those places and see how they decorate their little fake rooms and then just steal those ideas and use them in your house. So I went to this super like bougie furniture store and they had this vase with some fake flowers on top of some books and they wanted like $6.50 for it and I was like, girl, I'm gonna go to the craft store and make it myself. So I did. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we have 2 bathrooms, which is super. We actually cleaned them for this. We're not normally this clean. This is stuff that I'm donating. Okay, so this is the bedroom. This is where Fern and I make out. Okay, I was like, oh my God, I want this white, elegant rug. Real talk, terrible idea. It got dirty within like the first week. Saint has some dirty ass paws. How do I clean it? Let me know down below. Okay, so then we have the bed and the 2 nightstands. Oh wait, let me tell you what's going on. We got the 2 nightstands and this dresser. OfferUp. These were in like great condition. The little light thing, I got it at the same place I got that mirror out there, so a discount furniture store. Old trunk. So we have this here. And, oh, painting by Fern. And then we have a TV in here, but like, it's not, we don't really watch TV, which I think is good, it's healthy. But it's there just in case we do want to watch it.
Sit. High five. Good boy. Give me kisses. Oh, thank you. What a good boy.
I have another room down here, which I will show it to you one day. It's not ready. It's not. Let's just show them how crappy it is really quick. I am not proud of what's happening in here, but it's the truth. This, once it's done, I promise I'll show it to you. But right now, So that is my home. If you would have told me like 3 years ago I'd have my own place, I would not believe you. So just remember to go after whatever it is you want in life, because I promise you, if you keep working at it and you truly believe, you can have whatever you want. Because there's just no way I would have had this like 2 years ago. I would not have like believed you at all. So just a little like, I want to end on that note. Other than that, I hope you have a good day. Make good choices. And I'll see you guys later.
Get out of my house, Nick. You're not welcome anymore.
Okay, bye. I got 2 new subscribers. Not to brag. I believe I can fly. I carry a microphone around all day because it makes me feel superior and better than everybody else. We have a fireplace. Like, who are we? Oh my god, I have a chandelier. Get with it. What else can we talk about?